Hey guys, here's something you've probably seen before. This is a drooping tile ceiling. You see that big gap there above the ceiling fan? So this is our project of the day. We're gonna fix this. Real simple. It looks like catastrophe, you know, but here's what happens. These tiles all interlock and there's a little groove right here where they kind of like this is supposed to get stapled to this piece of wood. Can you see that piece of wood up in there? It's like it's right above this. I guess you can't, but anyway, there's slats of wood that run the length of the ceiling, and that's what the tile is attached to. Usually with a staple gun. Well, after a while, the staples come loose because they're staples, and these. There's not an insignificant amount of weight here. The tiles individually aren't that much, but when they're locked in, you know, little sections will get will droop. So what we're going to do is we're going to push this back up. We're going to try to get this tab underneath this one and see if we can use some drywall screws to get this back into interlocking place. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put the put the tripod down where you can see what I'm doing here. Alright, I think that's good. And, well, what you're going to need some tools. You're going to need your trusty cordless drill with a Phillips head driver, nut driver or screwdriver on it. And then I'm going to use 2-inch drywall screws, and then I'm going to finish it with I'll show you a trick with a caulking gun to show you how to clean it up after you're done. Now let's say you don't know where, let's say the tiles are drooping a little bit and you don't know where the backing is, where the what you call it, the wood slat is. You can use a small Phillips head screwdriver to kind of push through the tile where you're going to drill it and find out if it's going to hit the wood that you want to hit. So that's one way to do it. Kind of probe where you're going to put the screw, and make sure that the screwdriver is smaller than the width of your screw, right? Because you're going to want to make sure the screw is holding that tight. So I can't decide if I want to put one in here first. Maybe tighten that up a little bit. Let's try that. I think I'm going to do that. So let's put one in right about here, I think. We'll get started. I don't know if I'm in frame here or not, but you can feel like little pieces of that tile are coming loose. You can hear those hitting the ground. Alright, so screw number one. And then of course it's always fun because you got a ceiling fan right here, so don't decapitate yourself. Make sure nobody's like playing around by the switch. So go with slow pulses. Oh, see, that didn't work very well at all. Alright. Let's see if this one works. Nope, that's not working either. Son of a gun. Alright, so plan B. Okay. See, I can see where it's supposed to go. See, there's, that's where the staples would have gone before. Alright, so let's try this. Let's try one on the outside here. Just see if we can get this done. Okay, that one is good. So now let's put one right next to that. Maybe like right here, let's say. We can tighten that up later. Alright, that's better. So, I don't know, can you see that from down there? This one, I tried to drill the hole and let it take its entire weight, and that didn't work. So, now you see why we got the caulk gun, because we're going to fill in those holes that didn't quite take. See that one? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's helping a little bit. This one might need a couple more screws. Let's see. Well, it's better anyway. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better. All right, this one over here, we definitely want that to come up. We'll get over there. I'm gonna try this so that you can see me and I'm not blocking the camera. So, fun stuff, of course. That's not working. I'm gonna have to work in between here. Am I drilling into anything here? Yeah. So that one's got it. That's what I wanted to happen. Okay, now this is better. You can, from this angle, it probably looks great. But actually, there's a big gap over here. So, there. And I think it's because this one is overlapping this one. So what I could do is I could... Let's loosen this guy up here. Uh-huh. Now I'm working directly with their head. That's always fun. That one didn't go anywhere. Yeah, if we tighten this guy right here. Oh, I need another screw right there. Okay. Listen to it. It's like, I want to fall, I want to crack. All right. I think that's about as good as we're going to get without me replacing that tile. That one's pretty good. I think. Maybe one more. Maybe we could get this ladder in a position that's more comfortable for my neck. Oh yeah. So this one's slightly cracked now, but not drooping anymore, so that's good. Let's see. Right. Ready? Find that wood. Find that wood. Alright, that's better. Eh, partially obscured by the ceiling fan anyway. This one here could use something. Let's get one over here too. terrible. Okay. Not great, not terrible. I can paint that. Alright. I think that I'll just tighten that up a little bit. And this guy. Alright, so not bad, not perfect, but not bad. Alright. From the ground level, not bad at all. Alright, so to finish the job, what we're going to do here is get our trusty scissors. Da, 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 da. Right. Cut open our tube of caulking. Alright, we get up there with that guy. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill the gaps. And we're going to cover the screw holes as well. So that you just don't know where they are. Right? Okay. Got some coming out of the top. Good. A little bit there. A little bit there. Over there. Over there. Over there. And the great thing is this is a popcorn tile. So honestly, this is going to blend right in. Here you can actually fill this gap here maybe. Some caulking. And maybe even make a bead all the way down here. And back this way. Take that off there. Get clean that up a little bit. And put a hole in this joint right here while we're up here. And maybe this cross joint. Screw right there. Alright, so that's better. It's not, 100%, but dude, my house is 100 years old, you know what I'm saying? And let me look through here. So from here you can see, I can zoom in, you can see the imperfections. But honestly, clean that up a little bit and it's going to be fine. So you let the caulk dry just a little tiny bit and then go over with a glove with a little bit of water on it and smooth that out, smooth out those joints, and that should be fine. So anyway, that's a very inexpensive, let's see, less than $7 for a box of 2-inch drywall screws. Your cordless drill, which if you don't have one, Yeah, you buy one at Harbor Freight for 30 bucks. Tube of caulk for $1 at the dollar store. Caulk gun probably about the same. You know, you can do this whole thing with, if you have to buy all the tools from scratch, we're still talking about under 45 bucks. So, you know, you want a professional job, I guess you could pay somebody to do it. But it's not terrible. Alright, so that's it. That's how you repair a tile ceiling, or at least how I repaired it, and didn't decapitate myself with a ceiling fan. So that's cool. Alright, if you have any questions, give me a call and you know, drop a line. And if you like the home improvement videos, go ahead and hit a like, and subscribe would be great, because then I could make more videos about how to fix your old house. Alright, have a great day, folks. Take care.